All right. Hey guys, it's Brad Kilgore here from America's Best Shops. And today we're going to go over a really cool system that I truly feel can help you and your shop. So, at the end of the day, I'm going to uncover some things that I feel could really open your eyes as to how you might be losing out on some business. So, we're going to start with what's your goal? Imagine this, your repair shop business running seamlessly. Every phone call answered, every job booked, and every inquiry handled without even breaking a sweat. Let's help you achieve this vision. The biggest problem you may be facing is missed phone calls. Depending on how big your shop is, it might be small, medium, or even large. You're fixing a client's problem when the phone rings, and you have two choices: stop and answer, risk delays on the current job, or ignore it and potentially lose a new customer. Um, Repetitive questions. You answer the phone, you break away from your work only to get repetitive questions such as how much will it cost? How soon can you get me in for an appointment? Do you work on this type of make or model of vehicle? And another thing that is a factor here is, do you not have enough clients? Customers may be searching for things like repair shop near me, can't find your shop online, or they call but hang up due to long wait times or nobody answering the phone, leaving them frustrated. So this impact really is missed jobs, frustrated clients, and an overwhelmed team. So the hidden cost of doing nothing. So if you don't do anything, then your lost revenue, every missed call equals lost income. You may be overpaying your staff, mechanics handling calls instead of jobs, frustrated clients, missed calls or delays creating negative impressions, and lower rankings. You might get a negative review if somebody tries to get a hold of you and they can't even get a hold of you. So we're going to introduce you to Jenny, your 24/7 virtual repair shop assistant. This is an AI-powered receptionist that ensures no call or opportunity is ever missed. She handles every call professionally. She can schedule appointments for you. She can manage those frequently asked questions and common questions about pricing and availability. And at the end of the day, this can save you time and money. So we're going to just kind of jump into some of the capabilities here. She can answer every single call 24/7. After hours, there's 20 calls coming in at the same time, 200 calls coming in at the same time. She can answer them all at the same time. She can manage the frequently asked questions. She can schedule appointments. She can send them a text message. And then a few other things we'll cover about boosting your reviews and having a special card on the counter to get more reviews. Um, but real results and real impact is what we're talking about here. Capture every opportunity, higher rankings on Google with better reviews. We have an effortless setup here where simple onboarding process to really get you up and going quickly. That way your team can focus on your clients and not on the phone all the time. So there's three simple steps. We train your AI receptionist. We share your services, your pricing, your preferences, anything that we want to her to be able to answer on the phone. We can program that in. She can handle the inquiries, the calls, and bookings right away once we get it set up. And that way you can focus on your clients, enjoying peace of mind, knowing that every interaction is being managed. So here's some of the things that come in the bundle. You get the Jenny virtual receptionist. You get an automated review system that we plug in for you. We give you an AI appointment booking system. We give you ongoing support after the onboarding. And then every time you get a new phone call that she answers, you can then get an email or a text message saying, hey, you have a new phone call you missed. And you have a recording of everything in the phone call. And so the notifications can pop right up if perhaps she booked an appointment for you. So like I said, it's an after hours answering service, 24/7. This is working for you. We also give you a review card counter to encourage people to leave your reviews when they're there live in the shop. And we also have a full CRM, customer relationship system and calendar system to manage your appointments seamlessly. This alone is worth its weight in gold that ties into your voice AI agent system. So this whole package here also includes the text message marketing. So you could be sending out special offers to your existing clients, or letting them know about their upcoming appointments. So today we have a special offer. It's only $5.95 a month for this whole system, and then we have an additional setup fee to get you going. If you look at the comparison here to traditional voicemail, or hiring an assistant that you know full-time human, or having this AI assistant to take care of all these things, it is night and day difference as far as what the cost is and what the cost to your business is. Um, so the ROI is a very easy decision. Missed revenue, every single call could be 300 plus $500,000. Who knows what the job might cost? But if you missed 5 calls in a month, that could be thousands of dollars. The system here with the AI receptionist costs you $5.95 a month. Or if you hired a full-time human receptionist, nothing wrong with that, but it could cost you $3,000 a month you have to deal with. And all the things that come with an employee calling in sick, not being in a good mood, not being friendly to your clients, and all these other things. So at this point, we give you all of this. We want you to really see the value here. You can go to our website and see a little bit more information at ultrasystemized.com, or you can give us a call directly at 303-993-0911, and we will do everything we can to get you up and going and get this system really working for you in a big way.